Hey curl friends, it is Gabrielle Ishell and I'm back with another video. In today's video, as you can see, we're back up in my room. It is dark outside and it's also cold, and my little YouTube studio is in the basement and it's very cold down there, so heat rises and I just want it to be where the heat is. No, I just want it to be where the heat resides. Is that what they say in the 2021?
Alright, we going. What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside.
Anyways, today, as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, I will be doing my hair. I'm doing some butterfly locks. I don't know if these are the type of butterfly locks that I was hoping for. I don't really like this thing right there, but they actually look good together, like when they're like bunched together, but like one single one, they don't look that great individually. But anyways, I am happy with this look so far, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do the last little portions of my hair. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. The title of this video, this is just going to be me showing you how I braid my hair for another crochet hairstyle, and I'll leave a link to the video that I did before when I did my first crochet style. I did faux locks. So I am back down here in my little YouTube studio, but this is how my hair turned out. I have the little zigzag thing going on in the front, and in the back it is straight back. I hope you guys can see this because obviously I can't. Obviously I cannot. So I hope that was a good shot, but yeah, that is how my hair looks. And now I'm going to start the process of adding or crocheting the faux locks into my hair, and hopefully it doesn't take too long, maybe like 30 or so minutes, because you know this is the hard part. I already got my hair cornrowed, and crocheting is really easy. All you're doing is looping the hair under the cornrow, so hopefully it doesn't take that long to do, but you guys will be right along with me. This company is the same company that sent me the faux locks the very first time, so they liked the pictures that I took, I guess, in the video that I made, and they sent me some more. So it came, all my faux locks came, or butterfly locks, they came in this bag here, and it just says happy every day. I will be showing you guys how I install these into my hair. I went ahead and installed 3 packs of it. They come with 6 packs of hair, and in each pack there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces. So what's 12 times 3? That's 36. I have 36 faux locks or butterfly locks in my hair right now, and I'm kind of worried that I'm going to run out because the way that I did my cornrows this time, and I'll show you a video, but I want to say like 11 or so cornrows because last time when I did them, I made them too big and there was only like 6, and I felt like I had to put more locks onto each cornrow, and I didn't like how it looked. So this time I wanted to make the cornrows a lot smaller, which I did, and I wanted to obviously put more on my head. And then in the front, since I'm all natural now, I could do a twist. I parted these obviously into sections. I braided this like 3 or 4 times, and then I twisted it from there on, and that is just so the front can look more natural than the crochet part. So let's get on to putting these locks into my hair. They came with this crochet needle. They come like this. So a butterfly lock is a little bit more messy than a regular lock, and I can show you the regular faux lock that I have. You see how it goes straight down, and then I'll put it side by side with the butterfly lock that they have. It's a little messier than the regular faux lock. So anyways, they all come with, you can't really see it, but there's a little hole right here, and this is how I'm able to crochet it in my hair. So I'll put this through my hair, hook it onto here, and then pull it through and then loop it, but you guys will see. So let me put some lotion on my hands, because I don't know if y'all noticed, but my hands are ashy. Aww. Let me do that real quick. So I am starting to spread the locks out a little bit more than I was doing in the beginning. So see how one is here, and then the next one is like a whole inch away, because I think I'm gonna run out. But if I don't run out, I'll go back and fill in the space on the braid. So this here is a whole 2 packs. I think I overdid it on this side, but we'll see. I have 3 more packs to go, and yeah, we'll see if I run out or not. So you have this hook here. You're going to close it so that you can slide it through your hair. So I like to do it in the front, under the braid, and then it will be open. So inside of the hook, we want to put the loop from the butterfly lock, hook it on, and then we'll close the loop, close the hook, and then pull it through. Once we pull it through, we're able to take it off of this and just pull the rest of the lock through our little loop, and then pull it tight to secure. So very simple, and I'll show you again. Hopefully you can see that good enough. So closing the loop, putting the loop underneath the braid, put the hair on and pull it under the braid, and then we will pull the rest of the lock through our little loop. We're on the last pack, guys. They are falling down. I can't really see the back right now, but I might have to take some from down here and put them on top if it does not look right, because I ain't going out the house looking busted and disgusted. Okay, I ran out. Don't laugh at me, but I had to improvise. So usually when I see a butterfly lock, I think of this like it's a thick, chunky, really messy lock, and very cute at the same time. So I did this myself. Obviously this doesn't look like the hair that they gave me, or the style that they gave me. So I improvised and I did this myself. So what I did, I took the lock apart at the little hoop here and I cut it. So I have half of a little lock here. Now the piece that has a little curly end on it, I am going to leave that intact, and I am going to connect it with this twist up here. So in order to connect it, I am going to braid it in. So I'll braid it 1 or 2 times so that it can stay. And now I'll find the piece that had the little curly, coily end, and I'll leave that with this twist here. So these 2 pieces are together, and I'm going to use the other end to wrap around the other piece of hair and my hair. So just wrapping like this. And this is how you would make a faux loc anyway if you wanted to do it yourself. As I'm doing that, I'm hiding my twists, and this other piece here is just to give it the thickness that the other locks would have. So pulling this down straight and then just wrapping, literally just wrapping this other piece around it. Okay, there you go. So I try to tuck it into the other curl so you cannot see it. So here are my improvised butterfly locks. I do need more locks for this piece because you can still see the braid here. So what I did for a few of them, I went back. Remember I said I used 2 packs on this side already? So I went back and took some from this side and put them in the middle. Because right now, all I care about is the middle. But yeah, this is the look for now. I'm gonna go ahead and do these off camera, and then I'll come back to show you the final look. So I'm finished, and I actually like the look. So I'm going to show you the 8 that I did here. These are really, really cute. But obviously they don't match with the back, but I think they blend well together. I'm going to just tie this up. A little bun here, and I'll wear it like this, and it is super, super cute, very lightweight, just like the other faux locs that I had. Very lightweight, so I can't really feel that I have all this hair on my head. I don't plan to keep it in for that long because I already miss my hair. Anyways, I guess I'm still so excited about my natural hair that I want to wear it in its natural state. And protective styles, obviously they are good and really good for the winter time. So yeah, there's that, but I like my hair. I love my hair. So I guess this was a video on how to do the crochet locs crocheted in your hair and to also do them individually. I'm really liking the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also click the subscribe button and the bell. They're right over here, right there. Go ahead. I'll wait. Okay, thanks. Thanks. I really appreciate everyone who's been supporting my channel and subscribing, giving me likes, commenting down below, all of that jazz. So thank you again so much. If you have tried faux locs or butterfly locks, let me know in the comments down below. Are you going to try faux locs anytime soon? I think it is a nice protective style. Like, I don't have to worry about doing my hair for a good 2 weeks. I'm only going to keep it in for about 2 weeks. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside.